Hi, my name's John, and welcome to the Zeros Ones YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Google Adsense ad and generate the code you need so you can place that in your website and start monetizing your website content. To start off with, you need a Google Adsense account. And one of the ways you can do that is come to the Google website at google.com/AdSense. And you can click Get Started. If you don't have an account, click Get Started, and it'll take you, and there's information here about what you need and how to start the process to create your AdSense account. If you already have an account, you can just start by signing in here. Just click on Sign In, you put in your log information, and you'll get into the account. Once you're inside your account, you're going to see a page that looks like this one or similar. Should look like this one. I'm recording this in March of 2016, this is a brand new account. So what you want to do now to start the process to create your ad is click on My Ads. And once you're at this page, what you want to do is click on New Ad Unit. Now here we want to name it. And this is just for your internal use, so you know where this ad is on your website. So you know you can track if it's working, or by position or the web page that it's on, so you can keep track of how well it's generating income. And for me, I'm gonna insert this ad below the content of a blog post. So in my system, I would name this post hyphen below content BC, and then the actual post page name. So in this case, it's going to be create Google AdSense ad. And then next, we have our ad size. And now this is the recommended selections. And here are examples of what the shape of the ad would look like and the size in pixels. What I use is just a responsive design. It actually automatically calculates the proper size for the location where it's going to be on your website. And it also adjusts depending on the format or form factor that's viewing your website, whether it's a phone, a tablet, or a desktop computer. It will automatically adjust because it's responsive. Here you can select whether you want text and display ads, or just text ads, or just display ads, so you can select those. I'm going to make a text and display ad. That's the recommended. Here you can change the text style of the ad. Here, this layout, and also all the font colors and that are all available. For this ad, I'm going to just keep it all default. You can assign a channel if you want. I do not do that. And then you can select what happens if there is no ad being served, or what they call the backup ads. You can select show a blank space, show other ads from another URL, fill the space with a solid color. I'll just leave it show blank. That is the default setting. So there we go. There's my name of my ad so I can track it. I'm going to use a responsive style, All other settings are default. Now we want to save and get the code that we need to insert into the website. So I'm going to click Save and Get Code. It's generating the code. There it is. This is the code. If you click on it once, it's going to highlight everything, and then you can just copy it. I'm going to do a Control-C to copy it. And then I'm going to come down here and just open a notepad and just paste it in there so I have it. And now here it is, the new Google Adsense ad is now in the list of all the other ads. It hasn't been deployed yet. It's not on the website. But that's what we need to do to generate the code. Now that the code has been generated, and I have it down here in this notebook, I can go over to my website code and insert this where I want it. I'm going to be doing this on a WordPress developed website, and I'll be showing how to insert this into the post at the bottom of the content, and that usually is just above where a visitor can leave comments, so it'll be very visible. But I'll show that in the next video. That's it for this one as far as creating the Google AdSense ad. In the next video, I'll show you how to deploy it in WordPress. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for stopping by.